Welcome to Math 3. Ever heard of the words cardinal numbers? No, it's not a word. A cardinal number is different. Any number that can be counted is called a cardinal. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Cardinals answer to the question, how many? How many cookies are left in the jar? 4. How many donuts is Clark holding? 2. How many wheels does the truck have? 8. We use these numbers to count. From 0 to 10, from 10 to 100, from 100 to 1000, from 1000 to 10,000, and so on. Counting starts with one digit from 1 to 9. Then we reach 2 digits from 10 to 99. And once we reach 100, it becomes 3 digits from 101 to 999. Right after that, we reach 4 digits with the number 1000. And then 5 digits as you go from 9,999 to 10,000. An easier way to understand these numbers would be to group them into sets and place the digits in their proper place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. But what is a place value? A place value indicates the position of a digit in a number, while the value of a digit depends on its place or position in a number. Let's look at this example. 10,000, 10,000s. 1,000, thousands. 100, hundreds. 10, tens. The given number is 20,365. Determining the place value starts from the right. One-digit numbers are placed on the ones place. These are the first numbers from the right. In this example, it's the number 5. The value of 5 in the ones place is 5. Two-digit numbers are placed on the tens place. These are the second numbers from the right. In this example, it's the number 6. The value of 6 in the tens place is 60. Three-digit numbers are then placed on the hundreds place. These are the third numbers from the right. In this example, it's the number 3. The value of 3 in the hundreds place is 300. Four-digit numbers are placed on the thousands place. In this example, the number 0 is placed on it. Since 0 has no value, the thousands place will remain as 0. And 5-digit numbers are then placed on the 10,000s place. In this example, the 2 is placed on it. The value of 2 in the 10,000s place is 20,000. To add it all up, 20,000 plus 300 plus 60 plus 5 equals 20,365. Now let's put cookies in here. How many cookies do you think there are in this example? 5 cookies. 7 cookie jars. 4 cookie boxes. 2 cookie drawers. And 1 cookie truck. Let's take a closer look. So we have 5 cookies which has 5 ones and its value is 5. We have 7 cookie jars that has 7 tens with a value of 70. We have 4 cookie boxes that count as 4 hundreds with a value of 400. We have 2 cookie drawers that count as 2 thousands with a value of 2,000. Lastly, 1 cookie truck which has 1 10,000s with a value of 10,000. To add it all up, 1 10,000s, 2 thousands, 4 hundreds, 7 tens, 5 ones. Adding up all the value of the digits, the answer is 12,475. You got that right? Well, of course you did. Great job! Let's see if you understood today's lesson. It's quiz time! Let's count the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s in this chart. Ready? 4 10,000s, 3 thousands, 6 hundreds, 2 tens, 7 ones. Let's see what the answer is. It's 43,627. Let's try another one, this time with cookies. Ready? How many cookies are there? 1 10,000s, 4 thousands, 2 hundreds, 8 tens, 7 ones. Let's find out what the answer is. It's 14,287. We did it! Now, I'm gonna ask you my last set of questions. Let's see if you're up to it. In the number 85,061, what are the place value and value of the digit 5? The answer is thousands, with a value of 5,000. What are the place value and value of the digit 6? The answer is tens, with a value of 60. What are the place value and value of the digit 8? The answer is 10,000s, with a value of 80,000. What are the place value and value of the digit 1? The answer is ones, with a value of 1. What are the place value and value of the digit 0? The answer is hundreds, with a value of 0. Good job! And that's a wrap for our lesson today. Hope you enjoyed Math 3, Counting Numbers, Place Value. See you next time! Like this video and click the subscribe and bell buttons below for more TPK Learning videos. If you have any thoughts about today's topic, leave us a comment below.